Hi everybody. So in this session, I'm going to tell how automatic static NAT configure and used in checkpoint firewall. So basically, it is not mostly used like manual hide net, manual static net in the production, as per my experience. But somewhere we can use. So because in case of automatic NAT, we can't do so much modification. We can modify objects and other stuff, but it's better to use manual hide and static in the production. I'm telling on the basis of my experience as of now. So our goal is, for example, let me use the pen. So we can consider this is our PC which is hosted somewhere on the internet. Okay. And if anyone from this PC trying to hit this IP, this is our egress interface IP of the firewall. So our goal is if anyone from this PC trying to hit 1.105, it should translate it to the this IP 10.1.1.50, and this is bidirectional also. We can say this is destination net also. Also, 15 can communicate to 1.106. So this is called automatic static net in checkpoint. We can also call one-to-one mapping. We can also call destination net. So let's try to achieve it. So come on the firewall and we need to go come on the object explorer. Click on the object, then object explorer, and then DMZ host. I have already created DMZ host. So what is our DMZ host? 10.1.1.15. I have already created. So this is the object for the DMZ server. And inside NAT, we need to use translation method static. And then use the IP 192.168.1.105. This is our egress interface IP of the firewall. So we have created object, and inside object we are using NAT. And in NAT type, we are using a static. That is called automatic static NAT. For example, I've already created, so I'm just going to create cancel. In case of manual, we need to create original source manually, then original destination manually, translated source manually, translated destination manually, services manually. Then we need to come here and add rule above or on top or bottom, whatever as per the requirement. And then we need to select manually. But in case of our automatic static net, we have just created object, right? We have just created DMZ host. Okay, and inside NAT we are using a static NAT. So once we done NAT part, then we need to add security policy. So I have already allow any in cleanup rule. Generally, this is not the good way to do in the production. So in production, we need to add the specific rule like original source this, original destination 1.105, and then original source, original destination we generally consider in NAT section. So if you are adding security policy, source will be 1.106, destination will be your 1.105, and then services we can allow like HTTP, HTTPS as per the requirement. So in our case, this is DMZ server. Basically, this is the router, and I have make this router as HTTP server. So when we add the security policy on the firewall, so in services we need to allow HTTP. So in production we should be specific. We can't allow any. Okay. So now let's test it. So I'm on the PC. And if we hit HTTP 192.168.1.105, see, I'm able to access that server, which is hosted in DMZ. So one time basically it will ask password like username password. Once you done it, the next time it will generally not ask, maybe because it's maintain in its cache. Let's try to open a new incognito. HTTP 192.168.1.105. See, now it promoted for the username and password. So username is admin, password is 123. So now I'm able to access. So this is how we can achieve like automatic static net in checkpoint. Okay, it's very simple, but as per my experience, we use mostly like manual hide net, static net in the production. So I'm going to explain manual static net and hide net. Sorry, manual hide net and manual static net in next session with example with lab. So this is how we achieve this goal. And if I will try to ping this server, sorry, if I will try to ping this from this server, it will also work. So come here on the server, ping 192.168.1.106. So I am able to ping, means reachability is there. So basically we can say like it is bidirectional, one-to-one mapping. So this is how we can configure automatic static netting checkpoint. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much for your time. And please like this video, share and subscribe it. I'm going to upload all the NAT series of checkpoint. I'm going to upload core Excel, secure Excel, cluster Excels. Then uh, I've already uploaded like upgrade part and hotfix, troubleshooting. Then I will start Palo Alto series. Then I will start a 5 load balancer series. Then I will start cloud series. Then I will start automation series, like how we can automate our network work. So if you really like this video, please share, subscribe as much as possible. Thank you very much, everybody.